Am I supposed to thank you for walking in my door and giving me your love like pennies to the poor? You say that you're bringing me everything you've got. If you think that's good enough.
Well, we get a little bit of rain, so it's kind of sexy, you know, a natural wet down. But girls are hot, show is good. Just gotta get Mother Nature to cooperate.
We are at the bar mitzvah.
Gary's bar mitzvah.
But we're in a really nice house with celebrities, really nice house. Actually, I can't say that. I can't tell you where we are. It's top secret.
We're at Prince's house.
Prince's either wife's house or ex-wife's house.
Prince's backyard right now.
I only gave you a piece of what's happening.
It's going very well. Patsy gets to spit booze all over the place, so she'll be very happy with that. Yeah, it's fun. I get
It's all
nervous.
lies. It's all lies.
We're actually we hate each other in real life.
She's lying.
And I lie a lot.
Yeah.
It's compulsive. Yes.
Are you guys all filming this?
Yeah.
I have coffee on my shirt, which is good.
I spilled a chocolate fudgicle on my dress.
Pieces of omelet on my pants.
Awesome. Yes, team, stay good.
Team!
Member background, steady cams coming in over there, lots of recycling, lots of movement, it's a party. When the music starts, everyone's headed in to dance. A lot of fun.
42, take one, 8 camera marker.